Hi, Dr. Jenna Andrade, the Active Person's Chiropractor, and today we are talking about joint mobility and health of the joints. And your joints were actually made to move, and movement is how they stay healthy. But we want to make sure that movement is correct. We want to make sure we're not moving too much or too little, which can cause problems for our joints and muscles. And one of the best ways we can do that is to get regularly adjusted to make sure things are moving well, and then make sure we're using stabilization exercises to make sure we keep them that way.